Let's get into the next category, the heated debate.
That was cool.
Where we get to just debate something that's pretty hot and spicy. So you're going to choose one side,
Okay.
and Riley will choose the other side. If you can't agree and both of you agree, then we shall debate, you two versus me. But that gets real serious because I put the big guns on. And then we have the community tab on our YouTube page. You'll decide and vote who won that debate, and whoever wins gets a nice little prize, let's put it that way. So stick to your ground, choose your side, and hold it down. It might get hot. It might get hot. Heated debate number one, burger. Oh, Riley. Burger versus hot dog.
Veggie burger, how about that?
Veggie burger. Oh, so you don't want the veggie burger? Okay, so he chose
We
burger.
could do veggie hot dog too.
You said burger
Me.
first. I'm going to go
I'll
for
just
Riley.
pretend.
So are you okay with hot dog, or are you choosing burger?
I can choose a hot dog. I'd rather a burger though.
Then I'm gonna debate the hot dog then. So both of y'all go with burger.
Yeah, I do veggie
I
burger.
do like
my
veggie burgers
version, you know.
too.
So why? Start with that. Why the veggie burger over my delicious hot dog?
Have you seen how hot dog is made?
Yes.
That's a good one.
So that's the only argument? Don't make me get off. Look. I'm gonna put it to you like this. The hot dog, yes, its origin may not be perfect. It might look a little yucky, but that's how a lot of us humans are. We start off a little messy. We're children. We're crapping all over the place. We're throwing dung at people, and we're cussing out our parents. But then we grow. We grow into a beautiful, sealed, edible arrangement of food. And it's delicious. And it's an American staple. And you go to a Dodger game and you get you a Dodger dog, a double D. Come on. What's your rebuttal? Riley, talk to me.
You could put avocado on a veggie burger, and that's good.
Wow, that was a great argument.
That's a great argument.
Avocado was a great.
Y'all put avocados on your burgers?
Yes.
I put it on there.
I've never had
ketchup.
I eat all my vegetables. I mean, I eat meat, but
Yeah,
I
yeah,
also
yeah,
love
yeah,
my
yeah.
vegetables,
Let
so
your
this
You put
works.
some avocado, ketchup, patty. That's it.
I
So that-
actually have done that very. Oh, just avocado.
Yeah, just avocado.
So they're really.
Vegetarian without vegetables.
I can put an avocado on my hot dog.
Ew.
Okay, what about
Ew!
this?
Slide out.
No, you put it on the side.
What about this though?
Okay, hit me, China.
When have you ever had a hot dog that fit the bun correctly? There's always either too much hot dog or too much bread. Thank you. Boom.
But that makes it more fun. It doesn't have, just like the burger, if you give me an extra like a bigger patty on it, I'm gonna eat
great.
it up.
That's
It does
fantastic.
slide out.
It is
Bigger-
fantastic. So the same
bigger-
for a hot dog.
Nah, you gotta eat the hot dog by itself.
They really dissing me. They really dissing my hot dog. Do you like hot dogs?
I mean,
Just because stuff is made, McDonald's chicken nuggets. I don't know what they are. They're not chicken and they're not nuggets, but I'll eat them suckers up.
wow.
You don't eat McDonald's chicken?
I'll eat Costco's hot dog, but that's
Okay.
like when you're broke.
On the struggle meal, the
$1.50.
struggle meal.
You also
Rather the
eat
drink. Okay, I'm not gonna let them win this one. I want you to decide who won that heated debate. Go to the community tab, vote. Darn, well, Riley doesn't even eat meat.
I will say, have taken a veggie hot dog and put it in a bun for a hamburger and try to eat it.
Wow.
That was a pretty big fail, but
Oh.
that's all I had left.
That sounds kind of good. Was it good? Was it good?
That's the only way
It's
you eat
what I
hot dogs,
had.
and it's the only thing left.
Yeah, it's the only thing
I go to
left.
Wiener Schnitzel. I get beef. Let's go to the next one. They dissing my hot dog way too much. Way too much. This is one of my new favorite categories. We just got to start at season 4. Date, hate, or we straight. Now, you're going to be presented with 3 people. You have to choose, would you date one? Do you hate one? Or when people say we straight, it's like we cool, we fine, no biggie, it's neutral. So you have to decide, date, hate, or we straight. Are both of you ready for date, hate, or we straight?
Yep. Wait, it's one for each, right?
Yeah, so you're going to be presented with
Okay.
3 people.
So
You
got it.
have to choose. Let's see who we've got here. You got to choose Wonder Woman, Catwoman, or Harley Quinn. I'm going to take it off the bat. I would definitely go with Catwoman to date because it's Halle Berry, one of the most
Facts.
attractive women of all time. I'm straight with Wonder Woman. Gal Gadot, very attractive. She's Israeli. And Margot Robbie, I hate her. I love Margot Robbie. I hate Harley Quinn. I hate Harley Quinn. I love you, Margot. I love
great
you.
actress.
Please, she's an amazing actress.
amazing.
But as Harley Quinn, I'm sorry, I'm hating on you because you just beating up innocent people and robbing stores, and it's like you ain't got to do that, girl. There's people trying to live life. Okay, let's go. Who wants to go first, China or Riley? Date, hate, or we straight?
Well, I do agree with you on the
hate?
Harley Quinn hate.
Why do you hate her?
Her accent is beyond annoying, and she does do a lot. She's not funny.
Yeah, no,
kinda-
it's an annoying
she's just
character.
Annoying. It's like a really bad Deadpool or something.
Yes.
And then, but I'm sure she's a lovely person in real
Oh,
life.
Margot
I've
Robbie's
seen her
amazing.
react to magic, not for me, but she seems like a nice person.
Okay,
You know what I mean? So
okay.
if she likes magic tricks, she's cool, I guess. You know?
That's true. Clap it up. Riley's uses logic. I love it. So you're gonna hate Harley Quinn. Who would you date?
I mean, I already have a girlfriend. You know that. You
I know
I'm
that.
a loyal man.
I know you're a yes,
it.
he remembers all
Yes.
that. But okay, not even
Love
date
it.
as in freaky deaky. I just mean like, oh, we're just gonna hang out.
Yeah, it's probably not gonna happen either. You know what I mean?
Love it. All
Loyalty.
that energy, yes.
I honestly didn't know that was Holly Berry because it's kind of a blown out JPEG over here.
It is.
so,
It is. Diss my editing skills. Thank you. Okay, who do you hate? Wonder Woman or Catwoman?
I don't hate either one of them.
You got to choose one.
I already hated her. Though.
Oh, then who are you straight with?
I guess Holly Berry. I guess I'm straight
Oh,
with.
yeah, so you're gonna date
And then-
Wonder Woman, you
Yeah, I
dirty
guess so.
dog, my boy. I set him up. I'm not trying to set anybody up. Riley's lovely girlfriend. He loves you. He's too loyal for me.
Yeah.
He's too loyal. I love
I
it.
don't even want to have a fictional Wonder Woman date.
Too loyal. Man, us brother. I gotta get it together. China,
Find you one of those.
you gotta find you a Riley,
one of
man.
those.
Gosh. Now China, who are you gonna date?
I actually think it's really cool because we all have different answers, but I'm definitely dating Halle Berry. Facts.
Yes.
Definitely.
No,
agree
there's
with
no
that.
debate.
We straight would definitely be Harley Quinn only because I love her as
Okay.
an actress all around.
Yeah, Margot's hot. Yeah.
And also,
Wolf of
I
Wall
just
Street.
think I like Harley Quinn. Like she's,
Cool character.
yeah, she represents a lot of females in this
yeah,
world. Just
yeah.
kind of delusional in love, not really sure. Seriously.
Yeah, for
I
real,
was there
for real, for real.
I was there before I look back at myself and I'm like,
You got a
wow,
little Harley
did
Quinn
you
in
really
you.
just cry like that over him? Anyway.
Anyway.
And I would not necessarily hate, but I've never really been into Wonder Woman, so she doesn't really do anything for me.
Clap it up. That's analysis. We have to take 3 and date, hate, or we straight.